Hey everybody, this is JP. I'm at InfoComm24. I'm in the Epiphan booth here with Ryan Haynes, and we're going to talk a little bit about streaming. And so part of the show is focused on Pro AV, that audience, and integrators and folks that are at this conference. But there is a lot of talk about streaming. As you guys know, I do a lot about streaming. So I wanted to talk with Ryan here and just introduce Ryan and the team from Epiphan. Ryan, thank you.
Hey, no problem. Happy to be here.
Yeah, absolutely. Go for it.
Yeah. So I'm Ryan. I'm from Epiphan. So I'm with the customer support team. What is Epiphan? Well, here at Epiphan, we believe about broadcast without borders. So we're empowering creative professionals with intuitive products that help them solve their problems, and we're doing that with an open ecosystem. And so we have this whole API in the back end. We believe in automated video spaces are here, so we integrate with QSys, Crestron, Extron, popular CMS platforms to really make the management and the operation of our devices much more attainable and accessible to our user base.
And that's one of the big kind of plus points about Epiphan in terms of both for my own clients and people that I work with, as well as the testing I've done, is the automation, right? Is the ability to kind of take these systems, not only do streaming, but recording, event scheduling now, and automate that process. You obviously have integration with a lot of different partners. You do a lot in higher education, as well as churches and events. And so, is there anything here at the show that you guys are kind of focused on and talking about with people that are coming by the booth this week?
Yeah, absolutely. So the main thing this show is really the Pearl Nexus. So the Pearl Nexus is really positioned toward the education market, where they need a one-use system for permanent installs, integrated system, and it's controlled by maybe a touch panel from Extron or Crestron, or maybe a custom integration. We have a REST API there, so you can essentially control what you'd like on this device, and you don't need the touchscreen or anything like that. Right. And then in the realm of live events, in our automation, we have our Epiphan Edge solution, which has scheduling, so you can schedule streams and recordings all from a centralized place, and that's the same place you do your fleet management. And so you can be recording and scheduling these recording streams from one place across multiple devices to give peace of mind to, if it's a church, peace of mind their events are going to start off when they're supposed to, and to really automate those processes, to remove any complexity from the end user, and to just know that the device is going to work, it's going to get to where it needs to be, and their content's going to be there.
That's fantastic. So, and that's one of the other areas that Epiphan's focused on, is in that automation, is also having a cloud story, right? If we think about now, not only is it managing it from the cloud and that administration aspect of it and running your production, you have Unify, which is kind of a cloud studio of sorts, right? Mm-hmm. And you've done some integration work with Zoom and Teams and other partners to kind of integrate people coming into that production in a virtual event. Yep. And there's some videos on Epiphan's website if you want to go check them out. They've talked about with Microsoft and other organizations there. One of the things at NAB that you guys also are doing is working with Scarhoy on the control of their product with Epiphan.
Absolutely. Yeah, so we have integrations, like I said, with the API, where we have things that we work with companies for, Scarhoy, Crestron, Extron, QSys, and Scarhoy has been great. They have these wonderful little controllers, and we had them at the NAB, and I think it's very popular, for sure.
Awesome, fantastic. Well, thank you, Ryan. I appreciate it. Go to epiphan.com and go check out their website. I'll put a link in this video that you can go check them out. I've done some webinars with them where we've talked about different parts of their solution. So check them out. If you have any questions, let me know.